to another video with me on my channel. So for today, I kind of wanted to do a sunset type of tutorial, I guess. To be honest, I've only done sunsets like a couple of times. I'm not really an expert. I decided why not just show you what I do know what to do when it comes to sunsets. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go off camera and just do my eyebrows. I hate doing my eyebrows on camera because it's such a long process. It literally just irritates my soul. So I'll be back when I am done. So I finally finished my eyebrows, and now all I'm gonna do is just basically the rest of my makeup, you know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my eyelid. I just feel like primer helps so much with keeping like the eyeshadow in place throughout the whole day. Literally, I love eyeshadow primer. And so I am taking this palette. It's by Starry. It's the Mineral Eyeshadow and Blush palette. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. These eyeshadows kind of really suck, but it's the only eyeshadow palette that I have that has yellow in it. So like I said before, I'm just gonna take this one right here, take this yellow, and just really layer it. These ones are kind of really sheer and they kind of really suck, but they're usable if you just like pack it on and just put a whole bunch of layers on them. Now that I have done my yellow, you know, kind of starter kind of thing, I'm just going to take my BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette, and I'm going to grab the shade Hippie, which is right here. And it's just this really nice orange color. I am in love with this palette. This palette is my baby, and I love this palette so much.
Let me tell you, baby, don't need no diamonds on my body, got no grin in my eyes. Can you feel me? Yeah, get a brand new Bentley. I'll tell you now, it makes no difference. Just want all of your time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, after my messy, really kind of looking eye, I'm going to do a cut crease. I don't even know what I'm doing. So I'm going to take my NARS concealer in the shade medium 1.5 as always. Just gonna, you know, place this, my shimmer and my glitter, because you know, beauty guru. Kiss me like I'm dreaming, like I'm one in a million, and I think it's time you feel. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go back into my BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette, and I'm gonna grab another shimmer in the shade Euphoria. So Euphoria is gonna go onto my eyelid. Such a yellowish color. It's like so yellow. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my other eyelid, and yeah. Cause I know I got that something, and it won't cost you nothing. I already feel expensive enough. That's what matters. Okay guys, now all I'm gonna do is my eyelashes and my foundation and highlight, and that's pretty much it. Foundation is set, so now I'm just gonna put on my mink eyelashes, some highlight, some lipstick, and we are pretty much done. And now guys, after my eyelashes, I'm going to grab my Perfusion highlight palette, and it's definitely one of my favorite palettes ever. But this is such a good color, especially for like sunsets. Okay guys, this is the finished look, my finished sunset look, and I hope you guys liked it. This is not the finished look. I completely forgot that I have to do my bottom, and we're gonna do that like right now really quick. Okay guys, so this is actually the finished look with my lower eyelashes and everything, my foundation, my highlight, my not my hair because my hair is wet because I took a shower. Remember to follow me on social media, and basically I am Love in Jars and almost everything. Love in Jars 01 on Twitter, and I think Tumblr, but that's besides the point. Yes,
Tessa. Remember to live your life daring, inspiring, and beautiful. So, dare, inspire, beautify.